Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In this guide video, we're gonna look at how you can log in to your myEther Wallet account. It is a quick and easy process, so follow along the steps that I'm gonna show you. Firstly, you'll need to download the app on your device. After you download it and install it, simply open it up and you can see an interface such like this. From here, you can either choose to create a wallet, or if you already have a wallet, you need to click on restore. You can restore your wallet using only the recovery phrase and not the other options, because if you click on other options, it does not show any other options and you will eventually need to use the recovery phrase. Click on continue. Now enter in the 24 recovery phrases that you were given while you created the account of myEther Wallet. After you're done typing in the recovery phrases, you can hit restore. Now enter the PIN that you created. Again, reconfirm it. And just like that, you have been logged in to your myEther Wallet account. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And we'll be soon back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.